6.
We are following a storm alert here at NBC 26. We still have a severe thunderstorm warning for the southwestern part of Fond du Lac County officially until 6:15, another 5 minutes or so. But once again, the greatest threat for damaging winds has shifted well to the south of Fond du Lac County across parts of central and southeastern Dodge County, even now pushing down towards the Jefferson area between Milwaukee and Madison. That's where the velocity data is still showing the potential for winds gusting between 50 and 70 miles per hour. You can see this squall line here across south central Wisconsin now making its way towards Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha, and possibly eventually Chicago later on this evening. North of it, we're looking at on and off light rain with just a few claps of thunder from time to time. As always, when severe thunderstorms threaten, you need to find a safe and secure spot because they can produce damaging winds, large hail, and deadly lightning. And these thunderstorms have been producing a ton of deadly lightning. Take a look at all of the cloud-to-ground lightning strikes here with this cluster of thunderstorms as it moves off towards the south and east. Now, we're still looking at a severe thunderstorm watch officially until 9 o'clock for Fond du Lac, Green Lake, and Marquette counties, but these counties will be dropped probably within the next 15 minutes to a half an hour or so as that cluster of storms pushes off towards the south. This is actually the second cluster of thunderstorms that has affected us here in northeast Wisconsin so far today. The first one was this morning, and take a look at all the wind damage that cluster of thunderstorms produced, mainly straight line winds. There was a little bit of hail across the central part of the state, and then once again this evening, that cluster of storms producing some wind damage, especially across parts of Green Lake County. 81 degrees right now in Appleton. It's 80 in Green Bay, and look at that dew point. This is something you almost never see here in northeast Wisconsin. A temperature of 80 and a dew point of 79. If that dew point wasn't high enough for you, head to Oconto, where the dew point right now is 82 degrees. It doesn't get much higher than that. In fact, that is off the charts. That is beyond awful as far as the comfort index is concerned. Now, when you combine the heat with the humidity, you get the heat index. That's what it feels like. And earlier today, it felt like about 100 degrees across most of northeast Wisconsin. But right now, those heat index values have dropped off back down into the 80s and 90s. These showers and thunderstorms developing ahead of a cold front that's going to slide through here later on tonight. Behind the cold front, ahead of the cold front, doesn't really matter as far as temperatures are concerned. It was hot today, but behind the cold front, the humidity levels are much lower, and those lower dew points are going to push in here for tomorrow. And that's why we do not have any heat advisories or warnings in effect for northeast Wisconsin, because the dew point's going to drop out of the 70s and 80s back down into the 60s and lower 70s. It's still going to be humid, but not as bad as it is right now. And it is going to be hot tomorrow. High temperatures will be in the lower half of the 90s. Precision cast shows those showers and thunderstorms ending within the next hour or two, clearing skies later on this evening, and then tomorrow with high pressure building in behind that cold front, we can expect lots and lots of sunshine. So your forecast for tonight calls for any lingering storms to come to an end. It's going to be warm and muggy. Overnight lows will only be in the 70s. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine, hazy, hot, and humid. High temperatures will be in the lower to mid 90s. I'm going 93. Yes, it will be humid, but not as humid as it is right now. As we move into Saturday, still hot and humid. Look for a high around 90, sunshine, then a chance for some thunderstorms Saturday night into Sunday morning. Some of those could produce heavy rain, possibly some severe weather. Sun and clouds by Sunday afternoon, upper 80s. Still very summer-like on Monday. Mostly sunny skies, highs in the upper 80s. And then we'll have a chance for a few more showers and thunderstorms as we head towards next weekend, with high temperatures dropping down to around 80 degrees. So, Stacy, the potential was there today for heat index values between 105 and 115. You can thank that thunderstorm complex this morning for pushing those numbers way down.
You had warned us that that might happen, and
yeah,
it did.
It was still hot and humid, though.
Yeah, it was. Look at my hair. Crazy curls going on.
Unbelievable, Stacey.
All right, I'm trying. I'm working on it. Well, a big donation today is